Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup refinance checklists with LendingTree easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the LendingTree website. Locate the refinance section on the home page. Click on the Get Started or Start Your Refinance button. Enter your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Select the type of refinance option you are interested in. Choose the loan amount you wish to refinance. Select your current mortgage balance and interest rate. Input any additional financial information requested. Review the checklist provided by LendingTree for your refinance process. Ensure that you gather all necessary documents, including income verification and credit information. Check the eligibility criteria listed in the checklist. Follow prompts to submit your refinance application. After submission, monitor your email for confirmation and further instructions. If you need assistance, use the support options available on the site. Keep a copy of your completed checklist for your records. Once you receive loan offers, compare terms and rates carefully. Finalize your decision and move forward with your chosen lender. Stay organized and keep all documents related to the refinance in a dedicated folder. This organization will help you streamline the refinancing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.